Hi everybody, welcome back to Add a Pin. So today me and Cameron are gonna go on a hike. We're gonna go to Point Del Reyes or Point Del Mar or something like that. But I wanted to start this new kind of, I don't know if you would call it a segment or just a test trial run thing with my makeup. Every time we go hiking, I usually don't wear makeup. So today I wanted to try to see if the makeup that I use actually will survive the test. I put it on, it's been probably about an hour already, so. But this is a Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. You can still see like some of my like little scars and stuff I have. But I didn't use any color corrector and I didn't use too many layers just because I don't need to look porcelain if we're going on a hike, but I wanted to see how long this stuff will last before breaking away. I obviously have a blush and contour highlight on. I have all other stuff on, and then I put my normal like primer. I don't use like a primer, I just use a spray. Like I always use Mario Badescu first before I even put my makeup on. And then I use the Quick Fix, and then I put the foundation on with my beauty blender. And yeah, and then I did the makeup setting, the all-nighter spray on top. So that's what I do with every single foundation. So it's 10:20 right now. I think I'm going to do a couple of checkups like while we're on the hike, and then when we get back in the car and get back home, then that'll be like my final review. So I'm going to bring you guys with me so we can test it together. Okay, bye. Hi everybody, so we just got here. My foundation is at like hour 5, I think. It still looks pretty good. We haven't actually started hiking yet. We literally just got here. It took almost 2 hours to drive here. So it's pretty foggy and like kind of icky out. But we're gonna go hiking and see what happens to this makeup. Hello, it's check-in number 2. We just finished a 1 hour-ish hike. It's a makeup update. Still looks pretty much the same. Even my nose is pretty good, even though I've been sniffling and stuff. That it's been on for about 7 hours now and there's still really like no breakage. It's basically like the same as when I put it on. But we're about to go do a 4-mile hike on a different trail and we'll see what it looks like after that. Hi, so we just got back from there's Cameron, he's driving. We just got back from our hike. It was about 2.5 miles instead of almost 5. We figured out that if we went on the 5-mile hike that we would be in the woods in the dark, and that's not a good thing to be. So it's almost 5 o'clock now. The hike was definitely like easy on the way down. Obviously from start to where we ended was all basically downhill, and then on the way back is when it got rough. And I sweated a lot and it was intense, so that's why I look shiny right now. But I still think that the foundation like held up really well. Like I don't see, I mean right on my nose, like my nose was running from the elements and it being cold and stuff, but I mean, all my other makeup pretty looks the same. Like my highlight's still there, contour's still there, like nothing went away. And then when we get home, I'm just gonna stand in the bathroom where I was when I initially started, just to like extra make sure that nothing's broken apart and everything survived. So we can truly judge if it lasted the whole time or not. But I definitely sweated a lot, so it's not like a easy, like no elevation hike. It was downhill first, an uphill the whole way back. And I have a Fitbit. Fitbit says about 16,000 steps, which is equivalent to like 5 miles, 6 miles. So all of today's walking equals that amount. But yeah, when we get home, I'll do another check-in and give you the final time, how many hours it's been on, and what I think, if you should get it or not. Okay, bye. Final check-in. We just got home. It is now 8:03 exactly. So I've been wearing this makeup for literally 12 hours. Here's the lighting that I was in this morning. My hair is messed up, but I mean, other than my acne that was like already there this morning, I don't really think it broke up. Like, it doesn't really, I mean, I have laugh lines, but it doesn't look like it like settled in my laugh lines or in my forehead lines. I mean, around my nose, like you could see like right here, like all right here, there's no more makeup left because my nose was running and I was blowing it and stuff. But other than that, I mean, it looks pretty much the same as the way I did it this morning. Everything's still sitting where I left it, so I guess this passed the test. Again, it's a Maybelline Fit Me for normal to oily skin, so I don't know if that makes a difference. And it's the matte and poreless kind. So this gets approved from my test. I think it worked really well. I mean, like I said, I feel like my makeup looks the same way it did when I left this morning. To me, it looks really good. So that means this is sweat proof and 12 hours proof. So if your man wants to take you on a hike for your first date, or you gotta go do something active and sweaty, know that this makeup will last. So if you want me to try a different foundation, leave it in the comments below. Like, we go hiking all the time, so it'll be really easy for me to buy a different foundation and to test it. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you later. Bye.